So next I'm going to edit this to hello world. Back to app.js. Let me explain the coding. I'm importing the React, then a logo which is using here, and CSS. CSS is here for the style we are using, and this is a functional component. In the functional component, it's written the code block. This is called JSX. JSX stands for JavaScript XML. To make this code work, we have to pass this code through Babel, which is modern JavaScript compiler. So Babel will take JSX syntax and convert it into plain JavaScript the browser can understand. Okay, let me edit the file. Please save changes. Don't need to reload. Okay, once you save changes, automatically its changes occur. Okay, logo we didn't use, so I delete this line and make some changes in CSS, app.css. In app.css, and just delete this to 10 minutes. Okay, see, nice.